Welcome to my house tour. This is our mini garden.
Oh.
San Francisco, Calachuchi.
Oh, where's the Calachuchi? Oh, adenum. About this one?
Palmera.
About this one?
Palmera.
Oh.
Gumamela.
Where's the gumamela?
Is Calathea. This is Selum. This is rubber tree. Is Doña Carmen. This is Aglaw. This is spider. Are the other plants. This is my classroom. These are my collection. This is Chase, Rubble, Marshall, Zuma, Rocky, Sky. This one is Patrick. This one is Larry. That one's Robbie, Pikachu. These are Pet. This is Sydney. This is Star. This is Snow. This is Storm. Sky. This is Sky. And that one is Chase. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.